Hello, welcome back. Let's revise the vowel sounds we have learned. Please point to the letter on your screen when you hear the sound. Ready? Oo, E, R. And this one. Can you remember the sound? We say O in Malay. Can you write this letter? Let's write the capital letter first. Start at the top. Make a big circle touching the bottom line. Go round and close the circle at the top where we started. Now let's write the small letter. Start on the middle line. Make a circle touching the bottom line. Go round and close the circle where we started. Notice that the small letter fits between the middle and the bottom line. Now we will learn another vowel. This letter in Malay has two sounds. We say such as ma. We also say such as ekor. Today we will concentrate on the first sound. Can you say it with me? Good job. Can you read this word with We have ma. Ma. Ma means mother. Try this one with We see nam. Nam means 6. Now let's learn some suku kata with b. This word is beli. Beli. Beli means to buy. For example, emak beli kasut di kedai. Mother bought shoes at the shop. Ch. This word has 3 suku kata. Cerita. Cerita. Cerita means story. Saya suka baca buku cerita. I like to read storybooks. This word is derita. dekat. Dekat. Dekat means near. Mereka duduk dekat pintu. They sit near the door. Girl. Here we have gelap. Gelap. Gelap means dark. Bilik ini gelap. This room is dark. Ha. Can you see ha here? We actually have hendak. Hendak. Hendak means want. Kami hendak pulang ke rumah. We want to go home. Hendak. J. Can you try this word? We can see jelas. Jelas. Jelas means clear. For example, suara budak perempuan itu sangat jelas. That girl's voice, it's very clear. G. This is easy. Kera. Kera. Kera means monkey. L. This word has 3 suku kata. Lelaki. Lelaki. Lelaki means male. That is a boy or a man. Dia budak lelaki. He is a boy. This word has 3 suku kata. Melayu. Melayu. Melayu means Malay. For example, saya belajar bahasa Melayu. I learned the Malay language. Here, itu tarian Melayu. That is a Malay dance. Melayu. This word has 3 suku kata. Nelayan. Nelayan. Nelayan means fisherman. He is a fisherman. Dia seorang nelayan. Nelayan menangkap ikan. The fisherman catches fish. B. Can you read this word? We see pergi. Pergi. Pergi means go. For example, saya pergi ke sekolah. I go to school. Pergi. R. Can you see R here? We have rendah. Rendah. Rendah means short. That is short in height. For example, pokok itu rendah. That tree is short. This word is sedap. Sedap. For example, mie goreng ini sedap. This fried noodle is delicious. Can you try this word? We see telur. Telur. Telur means egg. For example, bentuk telur bujur. The shape of the egg is oval. Now, let's practice the simple suku kata with again. B, ch, d, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, r, s, t, v. Great job for trying. That's all we have for now. Bye-bye. I'll see you again soon.